Compopack is a startup, and it's designed to enter into and solve numerous packaging solutions in terms of the environment. One of the needs that we feel from the market perspective is the need to do research on materials and packaging materials that are designed to have the minimum impact to the environment. And the context of this specific project, Ecopod, is the food and beverage segment. We decided to settle on Bologna because this is the center of the packaging valley. And the context was very important because we were immediately impressed with the services that were provided by the Regione Emilia-Romagna, particularly for a startup company like ourselves. And the idea of being on the forefront of the research in terms of packaging materials and packaging solutions was something that appealed to me. Right now we are serving the world of coffee manufacturers. We are helping them to find a solution to try to avoid the plastic and the aluminium in the primary packaging solutions they are adopting, and in the same time helping the state to avoid being forced to apply taxation to small companies that cannot afford to have additional overhead costs on their bottom line. The overseas market was actually more receptive to our solutions than the domestic market. I think there's additional sensitivity in places like Switzerland, France, to the idea of sustainability is serious. The governments really do force the companies to adhere by the EU norms. The idea is to try and teach companies that make machines to be responsible for the packaging their machines produce, not for the consumption of energy of the machines. This is a completely different logic from the logic that is currently available. I understand there will be massive problems making this shift, but I think if you look at the real reduction in waste that you can employ using smart solutions, we got to think about more than just the next customer and the next order. We got to be thinking about 20, 30, 40 years in the future when it's just not going to be sustainable to be producing all this waste and not knowing how to get rid of it. In terms of patenting and patents, we have numerous patents, both of mechanical solutions on the machine and of packaging solutions that the machine can use. So having end-to-end patents allows us to offer both a machine or a royalty-based solution in terms of the pricing. But it's also very important to have an open innovation idea, because the idea is that we can also work with other machine manufacturers. We don't need to be the competitors to who can do a better job than we can. We just need to show them the way to improve their sustainability footprint using our patents. I would like to leave a vibrant company of about 20 people, so I'm not talking about becoming Mark Zuckerberg. And I would like to be able to help much larger companies with much more resources than we will ever have to move their mission more in line with what we are doing, because I think that you can create value for your customer, giving them ideas and not just machinery.